Hey class, I just wanted to quickly walk you through again how to use that online calculator. So in 152 under your content, Unit 3, Lesson 8, spreadsheets, we're going to go ahead and download this 8D preview. So when you first click on this again does not look like an Excel sheet until you download and open it. So it will look something like this once you do that. And for this online calculator, what we're going to do is just copy just the numbers from your Excel. We are going to go to our website, which is this Alcula website. You can again find those under your Unit 3. And I did pull them out, so they're under Unit 3, you'll see a separate little tab for it. This is actually the same website. I'll show you how to toggle between those. And you'll just paste it right in here, submit your data. So the nice thing is it will give you your intercept and slope. We don't need this information. It's just these last 3 pieces here, and we are going to round these because we do not need this many decimal places. So we're going to round this to 4 decimals. We can go ahead and we're going to write an equation in y. We're going to rewrite this equation, I should say, with our rounded numbers. So it'll be our y equals 1.7101x minus 579. Sorry, this is not writing very well. 0593. I don't know why this zoomed in. So we're cutting all of this off here. Don't need that. Cutting all of this off here. And again, this will get rounded and this will get rounded. That's why we're ending in a 3 and ending in the 1. There we go. So when we're going through and we need to look at the correlation coefficient, we're going to first, oops, it did not show our picture. Let's try refreshing real quick. So if your picture does not initially show up, you might just need to refresh. So we see here, all of these dots are going up, okay? They're going up from left to right. So think if you were to add your pencil onto a graph, what that would look like. And most of these X marks are around that line. And what this line is they graphed the regression line to see if there's a trend. So since most of these are pretty close to, or they are showing an upward pattern, we're going to say, well, this is probably pretty close to a +1. Again, +1 because it's going up from left to right. It has a positive slope. And they are pretty close to the line, relatively speaking. So if we go down to hit correlation coefficient, you will not need to calculate this by hand. We see our R value is 0.8386, and we're just going to round it again to that 4 decimal places. A positive correlation coefficient above 0.7 is considered a strong correlation. So in this case, we would say our data in this case has a strong correlation. And if we go back to our Excel sheets, oopsie-daisy, we would say there's a relatively strong correlation between carbon dioxide levels and global temperature anomalies. So just wanted to quickly go over that with you guys because you are going to see that in your lesson. You are going to be talking more about correlation coefficients and have to be able to identify those. So this information here in part E is what you're really going to be going over, being able to identify these and just say is this strong, positive, weak, or no correlation.